let's get started. All you have to do is to soak your beans overnight. If not, if you don't have that much time, you can soak it from 3 to 6 hours. This helps to cook faster, and then it helps to take out some of the gas. Now cook it until it is very soft. If it needs more water, add in water, let it stay on the fire, cook it until it is very tender as seen in the video, and keep it aside. Then we can move to the stew. So this is what you're looking for. Keep it aside. Now in a different saucepan, I added in palm oil. The protein I used was smoked mackerel, and then I added in about 2 of anchovy. Anchovy is more or less like momoni. It's fermented salted fish. I let it steam for at least 2 to 5 minutes. In the meantime, I went ahead and blended my veggies, which is onion, ginger, habanero pepper, green bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, and garlic. I then blended also almost smooth, and then I added it back to the oil. So I let this steam for at least for some minutes before going in with my tomato puree. This is the normal basic tomato sauce. It's very easy. You can use fresh tomatoes in case you don't have tomato puree. So go ahead, stir it, and then now you can go in with your dry shrimp powder, dry herring powder, and then I added in smoked mackerel as well. These things are totally optional. If you want, you can add it to it, but I give it extra taste, especially the dry shrimp powder. Because I used the dry shrimp powder, I didn't add in any Maggi. It was only the dry shrimp powder. Now this what I did. So I took 1/3 out of the beans out, and then I grinded it until it was almost smooth. That's it, not all, 1/3 out of the beans that I cooked. So that's what I did, and then I kept it aside. Once the stew was ready, I added in the remaining of the beans and then the one that I grinded. Basically, it was delicious, guys. You feel the beans, it gives it extra taste. Like, you will love it once you try it. So add in the beans and then stir it, and you're good to go. This goes well. You can cook yam, you can cook plantain. It goes well with rice as well. And I paired mine with fried ripe plantain. So guys, this was delicious, super delicious, super easy to make. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video, and I know you're going to give me a credit by giving this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page, and guys, just look at this bean stew was amazing. It was super delicious. So I fried some plantain, and then that's it, guys. Very simple, like I said. And as always, you're invited. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.